Paradise Found Indonesia beckons. Indonesia, land of adventure, a tapestry of islands. Lush jungles meet turquoise waters, volcanoes pierce the sky. Beneath the surface, a vibrant world awaits. This is where my spearfishing journey began, an unforgettable experience. Join me as we explore the magic of Indonesia. Indonesia is a diver's and a spearfisher's paradise. Its waters teem with life. From colorful reef fish to pelagic predators, the diversity is astounding. Imagine yourself gliding through coral gardens. Sunlight dances on the ocean floor. You spot a magnificent fish. Adrenaline surges. It's a dance between man and nature. My first encounter with Indonesian waters was in Bali. The energy of the island was palpable. The locals were welcoming. They shared stories of mythical creatures and underwater wonders. I felt an immediate connection with this place. It was the beginning of a lifelong love affair with Indonesia. Get ready to be captivated. This is more than just a travel guide. It's an invitation to embrace the wild beauty of Indonesia. Prepare to be amazed by its underwater wonders. Let the adventure begin. Island hopping unveiling Indonesia's gem. Indonesia is an archipelago of over 17,000 islands. Each one holds a unique charm. From the bustling streets of Jakarta to the tranquil beaches of Lombok, there's something for everyone. But for the adventurous soul, the real treasures lie off the beaten path. Picture yourself island hopping on a traditional Phoenician boat. The wind in your hair, the sun on your skin, you're greeted by smiles in every village. Each island offers a new adventure. Explore ancient temples hidden in the jungle, hike to cascading waterfalls, witness the dance of the Komodo dragons. For those seeking underwater thrills, the options are endless. Dive with manta rays in Nusa Penida, explore shipwrecks in the Java Sea, or embark on a spearfishing expedition in the remote Raja Ampat archipelago. Indonesia's beauty lies not only in its landscapes, but also in its people. Their warmth and hospitality are infectious. Experience the vibrant culture firsthand. Learn a few Bahasa Indonesia phrases. Share a meal with a local family. You'll leave with a newfound appreciation for the Indonesian way of life. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to explore the hidden gems of Indonesia. This is where memories are made. Bali, the island of gods and reefs. This enchanting island is a paradise for both the spiritually inclined and the adventure seekers. Bali is often called the island of gods, and it's not hard to see why. The island is dotted with thousands of temples, each more beautiful than the last. It's easy to see why. The rich cultural heritage is evident in every corner, from the intricate carvings on temple walls to the daily offerings made by the locals. Ancient temples perch on cliff tops, offering breathtaking views of the ocean. These sacred sites are not just places of worship, but also architectural marvels. Emerald green rice paddies cascade down hillsides, creating a patchwork of lush terraces. These paddies are a testament to the island's agricultural heritage and the ingenuity of its people. Offerings of incense and flowers perfume the air, adding to the island's mystical aura. These offerings are a daily ritual, a way for the Balinese to honor their gods and ancestors. But Bali's beauty extends beyond its shores. The island's coastline is a paradise for beach lovers, with its pristine sands and crystal-clear waters. The underwater world is equally mesmerizing. Bali's coral reefs are teeming with life, offering a vibrant and colorful spectacle for divers and snorkelers. For spearfishers, Bali offers a variety of experiences. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced spearfisher, there's something for everyone. The calm waters of Nusa Dua are perfect for beginners. Here, you can learn the basics of spearfishing in a safe and serene environment. Experienced spearfishers can test their skills in the challenging currents of Nusa Lembongan. The strong currents here make for an exhilarating and rewarding experience. The waters around Bali are teeming with life. From vibrant coral reefs to a diverse array of marine species, the underwater world here is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. You'll encounter colorful reef fish, snapper, grouper, and even the occasional tuna. Each dive is a new adventure, with the promise of discovering something extraordinary. My most memorable spearfishing experience in Bali was at a secluded spot near Uluwatu. The tranquility of the location added to the thrill of the hunt. The water was crystal clear, offering perfect visibility. It felt like I was swimming in a giant aquarium, surrounded by the wonders of the ocean. Schools of fish swirled around me, creating a mesmerizing dance of colors and movement. It was a sight that I will never forget. I spotted a large grouper hiding under a coral ledge, Its camouflage was impressive, blending seamlessly with the surrounding coral. With a deep breath, I took the shot. The anticipation and focus in that moment were intense, making the successful catch all the more rewarding. The thrill of the hunt was exhilarating. The sense of accomplishment and connection with nature was profound. After a day of adventure, unwind with a traditional Balinese massage. The skilled hands of the masseuse will melt away any tension, leaving you feeling rejuvenated. Indulge in a delicious meal of nasi goreng or satay lembar. These traditional dishes are a feast for the senses, bursting with flavors and aromas. As the sun sets over the ocean, casting long shadows across the beach, you'll feel a sense of peace that only Bali can offer. The day's adventures come to a serene end, leaving you with memories to cherish. Bali is a place that stays with you long after you've left. Its beauty, culture, and spirit leave an indelible mark on your soul. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way. The sights, sounds, and smells of Bali create an immersive experience that captivates all your senses. And for spearfishers, it's a true paradise. The combination of stunning underwater landscapes and abundant marine life makes Bali a dream destination for anyone passionate about the sport. Section 4. Raja Ampat, a spearfisher's dream, Raja Ampat. The name itself evokes a sense of wonder and adventure, a call to the wild heart of the ocean. Located in Indonesia's West Papua province, this archipelago is considered the heart of the Coral Triangle, a region renowned for its unparalleled marine biodiversity. Its waters boast the highest marine biodiversity on Earth, a true underwater Eden for marine enthusiasts. For spearfishers, it's the Holy Grail, a place where dreams of the ultimate catch come true. Imagine diving into a kaleidoscope of colors, where every turn reveals a new spectacle of life. Coral reefs explode with life, each one a bustling metropolis of marine activity. Schools of fish, so dense they block out the sun, engulf you in a mesmerizing dance of silver and color. Sharks, rays, and turtles glide effortlessly past, their movements a testament to the grace and power of the ocean. This is Raja Ampat. The sheer variety of fish here is staggering, a living catalog of marine species. From dogtooth tuna to giant trevally, each species presents a unique challenge and reward. From coral trout to Spanish mackerel, the waters of Raja Ampat offer endless opportunities for the dedicated spearfisher. The opportunities for spearfishing are endless, each dive a new adventure waiting to unfold. But Raja Ampat is not for the faint of heart. Its strong currents and remote location demand experience, skill, and a deep respect for the ocean. Its strong currents and remote location demand experience and respect for the ocean. Only those who truly understand the sea can thrive here. I remember my first dive in Raja Ampat, the anticipation, the excitement, and the awe that followed. I was awestruck by the sheer abundance of marine life. It was a sight that words can hardly capture. It was like diving into an aquarium, but this was real, raw, and untamed, the ocean in its purest form. I speared a beautiful coral trout that day, a moment of triumph and gratitude. A meal I shared with the local villagers, a testament to the ocean's bounty and the community's connection to the sea, a testament to the ocean's bounty, and a reminder of the delicate balance we must maintain. Raja Ampat is a reminder of the ocean's power and fragility, a place where beauty and danger coexist. It's a place that demands respect and responsible spearfishing practices. Conservation is key to preserving this underwater paradise. It's a privilege to experience its magic, a privilege that comes with the responsibility to protect and cherish it for future generations. Section 5. Komodo Dragons and Underwater Treasures. Komodo National Park, a place where the land and sea converge to create a unique and breathtaking environment. Home to the legendary Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard, these creatures can grow up to 10 feet in length and weigh over 150 pounds. Their powerful build and fearsome reputation make them a sight to behold. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers more than just encounters with these prehistoric creatures. The park's rugged terrain and diverse ecosystems provide a haven for a variety of wildlife, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Beneath the surface lies a world of underwater wonder, ripe for exploration. The vibrant coral reefs are teeming with life, from tiny colorful fish to larger, more elusive creatures. The waters around Komodo are a mix of warm and cold currents, creating a unique ecosystem. These currents bring nutrients that support a rich diversity of marine life, making it a hotspot for divers and marine biologists alike. Manta rays glide gracefully through the channels, their large wing-like fins propelling them effortlessly through the water. Watching these gentle giants is a mesmerizing experience. Reef sharks patrol the drop-offs, their sleek bodies moving with precision and purpose. These apex predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the marine ecosystem, and for the lucky few, a glimpse of the elusive whale shark might grace their dive. These gentle giants, the largest fish in the ocean, are a sight to behold with their distinctive spotted patterns and massive size. Spearfishing in Komodo is an adventure like no other. The thrill of the hunt, combined with the beauty of the underwater world, makes for an unforgettable experience. The currents can be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Navigating these waters requires skill and precision, but the sense of accomplishment is unparalleled. Dogtooth tuna, Spanish mackerel, and giant trevally are just a few of the prized catches that await. Each species presents its own unique challenge, adding to the excitement of the hunt. One particular experience in Komodo left an indelible mark on me. The underwater landscape is as varied and dramatic as the land above, with steep walls and hidden caves waiting to be explored. I was drifting along a steep wall, the current pulling me gently. The sensation of weightlessness and the beauty of the underwater world combined to create a sense of peace and wonder. Suddenly, a shadow emerged from the deep. The anticipation and excitement of encountering a large predator in its natural habitat is an experience like no other. A massive black-tip reef shark, at least 2 meters long, circled me slowly. Its presence was both awe-inspiring and humbling, a reminder of the power and beauty of the ocean's inhabitants. Its black-tipped fins slicing through the water with effortless grace. The shark's movements were fluid and precise, a testament to its evolutionary perfection. We locked eyes for a moment, a silent acknowledgement of each other's presence in this underwater realm. It was a moment of mutual respect and understanding, a connection between two beings from different worlds. Then, as if in slow motion, it turned and disappeared into the blue. The encounter was brief, but it left a lasting impression on me. It was a humbling encounter, a reminder of the raw power and beauty of the ocean. The experience reinforced my respect for the marine environment and the creatures that inhabit it. Komodo is a place of stark contrasts. The rugged, volcanic landscape above water is mirrored by the vibrant, teeming life below the surface. Volcanic landscapes meet turquoise waters, creating a stunning visual contrast. The island's natural beauty is unparalleled, offering a feast for the eyes at every turn. Ancient creatures roam above ground while a kaleidoscope of life thrives beneath the waves. The juxtaposition of these two worlds is what makes Komodo so unique and captivating. It's a destination that will stay with you long after you've left its shores. The memories of Komodo's natural wonders, both above and below the water, will linger in your mind, calling you back to the